Doctors are on the streets today. It's a 24-hour-long protest, specifically across the country. Protesting at different cities, hospital services have been hit. Apart from emergency services, most of the services like OPD will today remain shut. Doctors have escalated their protest, demanding justice with regard to the Kolkata rape and murder case. Indian Medical Association has announced a massive strike for 24 hours. A committee will now be formed to suggest measures to ensure safety of healthcare professionals. All outpatient services and treatment in government and private hospitals have also been cancelled. Elective services have been postponed. Emergency services continue to be functioning. Union Health Ministry, meanwhile, has requested agitating doctors to resume their duties in larger public interest and in view of rising cases of dengue and malaria in different cities. CBI probe, meanwhile, has intensified. RG Kar Medical Hospital's former principal, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, was asked for questioning today as well. 4 other fellow doctors have also been questioned by the CBI. 10 people in total have been summoned, including a security supervisor, 2 suspended guards as well who were there at night duty. So anyone in any way who were at night shift or knew the doctor personally, professionally, will be questioned by the CBI.
इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है, देख रहा है, यही है सब। हम तो बोला है सब मेरा लड़का लड़की का सामान है, जो आदमी इसको प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है हम सब उसके साथ हैं। आदमी खड़ा हुआ है, लेकिन जस्टिस मिलना चाहिए चीज़ में। जो आदमी जो किया है इस सब काम तो किसी ने किसी किया है ना, मेरा लड़की तो अपने आप बुझार नहीं दिया ना, इसका कड़ी से कड़ी सजा।
They reclaim the nights হিসাবে প্রচুর লোক প্রচুর জায়গায় leaderless. It was a leaderless crowd. I think anticipating कि श्यामबाजारे 5000 लोग आशबे या रूबीते 10000 लोग आशबे या 8बीते अतो लोग आशबे गरियाते कतो लोग आशबे. There are numerous number of places where large crowds had gathered, and since it is very very difficult to make an assessment. आजी करे अतो लोग आशबे यदि हमें आपनादेरके बोले दी कि normally when there are leaders they themselves have an assessment how that kind of what kind of gathering they are expecting, and we make arrangement to match that or even bigger than that. আমাদের সাফিশিয়েন্ট ডিপ্লয়মেন্ট ছিল, ডিসি লেভেলে অফিসার ছিলেন ওখানে, ডিসি নর্থ পার্সোনালি প্রেজেন্ট ছিলেন ওখানে, আপনি নিজেও দেখতে পাচ্ছেন হাউ হি ইজ ট্রাইং টু ডিল উইথ দি ক্রাউড উইথ লট অফ পেশেন্স। উনি নিজের চেষ্টা করেছেন, ওনার সঙ্গে যা ফোর্স ছিল সমস্ত রকম চেষ্টা করেছেন। ইয়েস, despite that the barricade was breached and people got into this, vandalized the place.
And right here at the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, the Indian Medical Association and the members have taken out a rally against the administration, demanding their rights. The police bandobast has also gone up. It has increased, as you can see in these pictures. If you can move ahead and take a look at how things are at this point in time. The demand is simple: have the central law implemented. The central law, essentially, that protects the doctors, gives or declares all hospitals as safe zone, the strictest punishment for those people who indulge in violence against doctors, because this is a huge problem. Apart from that, the Union Health Ministry has ordered head of institutions to lodge an FIR whenever there is violence against healthcare workers. Within 6 hours, an institutional FIR has to be launched by the head of the institution. These are some specific instructions and measures that have come in from the Union Health Ministry. But is that good enough? Will this get the doctors to halt their strike? Is the big question as medical services in the country continue to suffer. With video journalist Sanjay from Kolkata, Sneha Murdani for India Today.
Well, remember that it is the nation that's shocked, and there are people from different fields who have come together in support and solidarity. But medical professionals understandably are angry. It's one of their own. It's a woman doctor after all. India Today is on the ground, getting you details of what the doctors are demanding, specifically in Bengal and other states as well. And as you can see on your screen, different cities and medical professionals out on the streets because they believe this has to set an example for their safety.
The nationwide strike called by the doctors have entered 6th day. Right now, we are inside the RML hospital. You have the resident doctors taking out a march, and this is indicative of the fact that the OPD services and elective services at the government hospitals have literally come to a standstill because of this strike which is going on. What is more concerning is that Indian Medical Association has announced that OPD services and the elective services at all the branches of the IMA across the country will come to a halt from 6 a.m. Today itself. So the government hospitals are hit because the resident doctors are on strike, and now the private medical services are also on a halt from today itself because of the RG car incident. What is to be noted is that last evening, these resident doctors had a meeting with the Union Health Ministry officials, and nothing came concrete out of that meeting. On one side, these were the doctors who were supposed to carry on their duty inside the hospitals, but they are sloganeering right now, demanding, seeking justice for RG car hospital victim and a Central Protection Act. With video journalist Ajay Sinha, Zamit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Delhi.
We need the security in the emergency wards, in the ICUs, because we get a lot of agitated patients in those emergency situations, and there's no security that is present. So the assaults, there are regular cases of assaults at the doctors.